Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk to you about something very important. I want to talk to you about success. We all want success in our lives. We want to be happy, we want to reach our dreams, and we want to feel proud of ourselves. But many people do not know the secret to success. Some people think success is luck. Some people think it is only for people who are very smart or very rich. But the truth is very different. Success is not about luck. Success is not about being born in a rich family. Success is about something you can choose. Success is about what you do every day. Success is about your thoughts, your actions, and your attitude. The first secret to success is believing in yourself. If you do not believe in yourself, no one else will. You must believe that you can do great things. You must believe that you can learn, grow, and become better every day. Believing in yourself gives you strength when things are hard. Life will always have problems. Life will always give you challenges. But if you believe in yourself, you will not give up. You will find a way to solve your problems. You will find a way to keep going even when it is difficult. The second secret to success is hard work. There is no magic that makes success come without effort. You must work hard. You must practice and try again and again. Sometimes people fail many times before they succeed. But failure is not the end. Failure is a lesson. Every time you fail, you learn something new. Every time you try again, you grow stronger. Hard work is the bridge between your dreams and reality. Your dreams are like a seed. If you plant the seed but never water it, it will not grow. Your hard work is the water that helps your dreams grow into real success. The third secret is patience. Success does not happen in one day. Success takes time. You cannot run a marathon in 1 hour. You cannot learn to play an instrument perfectly in 1 week. Success takes small steps every day. You must be patient and keep moving forward. Sometimes it feels like nothing is happening. Sometimes it feels like your efforts are useless. But if you keep going, step by step, you will reach your goal. Remember, every great person started small. Every great person faced difficulties. Every great person had to be patient. Another secret is learning from mistakes. Nobody is perfect. Everyone makes mistakes. Even the most successful people in the world made many mistakes. The important thing is to learn from them. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. Do not be afraid to try new things. Each mistake gives you a lesson. Each lesson makes you smarter. Each lesson brings you closer to success. The people who succeed are not people who never fail. The people who succeed are people who never give up. Success also needs courage. Courage is the ability to face your fears. Many people have dreams, but they are afraid to try. They are afraid of failing. They are afraid of what others will think. Courage helps you move forward even when you are afraid. Courage helps you take risks. Sometimes success comes from taking a risk, from leaving your comfort zone. You will never know your true power if you do not try. Success is also about focus. You cannot do everything at the same time. You cannot chase all your dreams at once. You must focus on what is most important to you. Focus gives you energy. Focus gives you direction. When you focus, you work smarter, not just harder. Focus helps you reach your goals faster because your mind and heart are together. Finally, one more secret to success is gratitude. Be grateful for what you have. Be thankful for every small success. Be thankful for the people who help you. Gratitude keeps your heart positive. Gratitude makes you stronger when life is difficult. When you are grateful, you see the good in life, and the good will come to you. Now, let's continue talking about success. I want you to imagine something. Imagine your life like a garden. Your dreams are the seeds. Your thoughts, actions, and attitude are the soil, water, and sunlight. If you care for your garden every day, it will grow. If you forget it, it will die. Success works in the same way. You must take care of your dreams every day. You must feed them with hard work, patience, courage, and belief. Many people ask me, but what if I fail? I tell them, failure is normal. Failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is part of success. Every great person failed many times before they became successful. Think about famous inventors. Think about great athletes. Think about great writers. All of them failed again and again. But they did not give up. They used failure as a teacher. They asked, what can I learn from this? And then they tried again. You must do the same. Each mistake is a step forward, not a step backward. Success is also about your mindset. Your mind is very powerful. If you think, I cannot do this, you will fail before you even try. But if you think, I can try and I can learn, you open doors for yourself. Positive thinking gives you energy. Positive thinking gives you hope. Positive thinking helps you see solutions, not only problems. Success is not only about skills or luck. Success starts in your mind. Train your mind to believe in possibilities, not limits. Another important secret is consistency. Doing something once is not enough. Reading a book one time will not make you an expert. Practicing a skill once will not make you a master. But if you practice every day, even a little, you will improve. Consistency builds habits. Habits build character. Character builds success. Think of small actions every day like building bricks. Each brick adds to a strong wall. Each small action adds to a big success. Success is also about helping others. Some people think success is only about themselves. But true success is not just for you. True success is about making life better for other people too. When you help others, you grow. When you share your knowledge, you grow. When you encourage someone, you feel stronger. Success is not lonely. Success is shared. Help others, and you will discover happiness and strength you never knew you had. Many people stop because they compare themselves to others. They see other people's success and feel jealous or small. But you must remember, everyone has a different journey. Your journey is your own. Your path is your own. Do not waste energy comparing yourself to others. Use your energy to work on yourself. Grow yourself. Improve yourself. The only person you should compete with is yourself. Every day, try to be better than you were yesterday. That is the true way to succeed. Discipline is another secret to success. Discipline means doing the right thing even when you do not feel like it. Discipline means staying focused when it is hard. Discipline means not giving up when it is easier to quit. You will feel tired sometimes. You will feel like stopping. But discipline keeps you moving. Discipline turns dreams into reality. Remember, every successful person has discipline. Without discipline, talent and luck are not enough. Finally, let me tell you about passion. Passion is love for what you do. Passion is what makes you excited to wake up in the morning. Passion is what makes hard work feel easy. If you love what you do, you will never give up. If you love your dream, you will keep working for it, even when it is difficult. Passion gives you energy that money or fame cannot give. Find what you love, find your passion, and success will follow. So, in summary, success needs belief, hard work, patience, learning from mistakes, courage, focus, gratitude, positive thinking, consistency, helping others, discipline, and passion. These are not things you are born with. These are things you can practice every day. The secret to success is not hidden. The secret is inside you, waiting for you to use it. Now, I want to tell you one more thing about success. Success is not only about reaching your goals. Success is about enjoying the journey. Every day, you have chances to learn, grow, and become stronger. Every challenge is an opportunity to prove to yourself that you can do more than you think. Life is full of ups and downs, but every experience teaches you something valuable. When you face difficulties, do not feel sad or afraid. Feel excited because you are growing, and growth is success. I also want to remind you about your dreams. Never forget your dreams, no matter what anyone says. Some people will tell you that your dream is too big or that it is impossible. Do not listen to them. Those words only show their limits, not yours. You have the power to go beyond what others believe. You have the power to create your own path. Remember, every great success in the world started with a dream. Someone believed it was possible, worked for it every day, and did not give up. You can do the same. Sometimes, the road to success feels long. Sometimes, it feels like you are moving slowly. But do not worry. Even slow progress is progress. Every small step is moving you closer to your goal. Do not compare your step with others. Your journey is yours alone. Keep walking, keep trying, keep believing, and one day, you will look back and see how far you have come. Success is also about happiness. Many people think success is only money, fame, or power. But real success is being happy with yourself, happy with your efforts, and happy with your life. When you work hard, follow your dreams, help others, and stay positive, happiness will come naturally. Success and happiness go together. Never forget to smile. Never forget to enjoy the small things, and never forget to celebrate every achievement, even the smallest one. I want you to leave today with one strong thought. The secret to success is inside you. All the things you need, belief, courage, patience, hard work, discipline, passion, focus, gratitude, and consistency, are already in your hands. You just need to use them. You just need to practice them every day. Your dreams are waiting, and your success is waiting. Start now. Do not wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is today. Take action. Keep moving forward. Never give up. And finally, I want to thank you for watching this video. If you liked this speech, please make sure to like, share, and comment. Share your thoughts about your dreams, your goals, or what inspired you most from this speech. Your support helps me continue making motivational content for you. Remember, your journey to success starts with one step, and today, you took that step by listening. Thank you again, and I hope you keep believing in yourself, working hard, and chasing your dreams.